Good morning. Like what I was telling you guys that yesterday, please you just be patient so you can listen to me well. Now, already before I even arrive in this intent, before you, if you want to create your images, you understand, on flow so that your characters will be consistent, this is what you want to do. You are to create reference image. Now what I mean by reference image, now if you follow me down over here, you see that these are my reference images. You can see this is my reference image for my male lead, this is my reference image for my female lead, and this is the combination of both my male lead and the female lead. I hope you are getting me. Now that is what we are calling, well, that's what we call reference image. Now, how to get this reference image, you'll have to talk to your AI that okay, after you must have written your script, you must have given those instructions I told you guys to give, you understand, before you generate image. Now immediately after you do that, don't you remember that instruction that has please don't flaunt this instruction. Immediately after that one, before you now post, let it start giving you the image prompt. This is what you need to do. You now have to tell your AI, now, I want you to give me reference image, a passport kind of reference image, so that it will show only their head to neck. That is a face to neck. Now, this is what I'm trying to say here. Now, if you follow me down to this, my reference image, you can see it's only their head, their face card to neck. It's not their full, it's not their full body. You understand? Now, why is that so? It's so because if it gives you the full body, once you want to implement and you want to put in your character scene, that is your prompt scene for each of these scenes, it's going to contradict, it will affect it. Sometimes at the end it will now give you an animated or CGI or a cartoon prompt, you understand, because it is repetitive. Sometimes it won't even generate. Now mind you, if you are making, if you want to create your reference image, just make for just two, which is your male lead and your female lead. Do not go and add supporting lead, because once they are three, you understand, it's going to affect you. It's going to affect you. You might even be frustrated and close your system or drop your phone and do other thing. Just do for only your male lead and your female lead. You get? Now, after you must have tell it to give you that passport, you say now when before, after that, the next thing is this. Remember I told you it will give you your male lead, your female lead, and the combination of the both, you understand, which I showed you guys. Now the next thing you have to do, you don't tell it that why creating this prompt, that is our prompt for each scene, it should make our male lead and female lead, it should not give them their facial description again. Rather, it should relate it to reference image. Now look at this, for example. You can pause this video and look at what I'm trying to say. Now this, yeah, 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 yeah. Now look at it. Now this, for you can see here female lead only. It will be easy for me to now know that it's only the female lead that appear in this scene. The black woman from the reference image. I hope you guys are seeing it now. This is the black woman from the reference image. So what this is trying to tell your AI now, once you want to now carry this prompt and put, the AI would now say, okay, this lady now is the reference, this the black woman is the reference image. You know, in weeks is attached, but this one we are calling reference image. I will show you guys how to do it. You understand? You tell that, let him make use of that. The other characters there was no reference image for, those characters you have to give them your full, you understand, you have to give them their full image prompt, character, that is their full character description, you understand. The reference image only just reference them, then they to now talk their hairstyle, thick long locks, loose and being blown sideways. That is what is happening on this scene. Standard issue. Now it's going to, for those reference images, going to tell them what they are putting on. So please, you can just copy this, you understand, can pause, type this on your phone or your system, and add it to your that when generating this prompt it should use model this, you understand. Now let me show you. Now I've told you guys about the theoretical part. Now is the practical. Now this is it. Now I've done this for scene 10. Now let me show you for the scene 11. Now our scene 11 is character in scene, male lead and female lead. Now this is what to do. Also I copy this. I'll let me come in, copy this. Now I'll go to my flow. Now I'll go and check where my female lead and male lead are. Now look at the combination of both. Now you click on these three dots. You see add to prompt. Here they write add to prompt. You click on it. Now you now paste that your prompt for that scene. You send. You understand? Oh shit. Come and join me and I'm taking coffee. Now you can see it now. This is only our male lead and our female lead, as you can see here. You can see the face is the same. You can see the face are the same. Very nice. If you don't like it, you can still send it again. Look at it, they are the same. Like this one now, I don't know why it's looking away, so let me just redo it so this other one will move out. You get? You can see the face. You can see his face. It's looking the same. The face. That is what we call character consistency. Your characters have been consistent. I think one, I understand what this is trying to mean. That one, he was looking away. The second one, he was looking at her. That when she was coming, he was looking away. Then when he noticed she was coming, he started looking at her. So I love what Flow do. Flow give you it, understand the image and give you the both parts, you understand. So I get what Flo is trying to say here. So this is it. Now you've done this. Now going to the next prompt, this is the female, male and female lead. That is our scene 12. So what I do now, I will still copy it. This is it. I'll copy it. Now go to our flow. Now instead of it to now scroll down to where the combination is, what I will do, I'll just come over here, click on this reuse prompt. Look at reuse prompt. I'll now come here, highlight, delete. Now you see that our combination prompt is still here. I will now paste the new prompt and send. You get? I didn't scroll down because you know when generating image, that combination to be scrolling down and up will be wasting you time. You understand? So I just have to reuse the prompt and put in our prompt and send it. Now you can see it now. This is it now. You can see the same face. The face are not changing. The same face. This is what we call character consistency. Now let's check the next one. Now this is female lead and Yuri. Now, oh, why this pause? Okay, sorry. Now this is female lead and Yuri. Now the Yuri is a character that appear always on this story. Now, but I said something. When doing reference, just use two. You get why? Because he will suffer. Why I say so? When the three of them appear in one scene, my brother or my sister, you can stay up to like 3 hours. You never generate them. It will oh. Well, I hope you guys are trying to get now. This is for our female lead we are using now. This is where our female lead. I will not go down. I will just use reuse prompt. Click on this, highlight it, delete it, and click on this and send. You understand? And send it. I will let this video not stay more than 10 minutes. But I believe as I explain it, you guys understand. Now this is it now. As you can see now, this is it now. The same face. The face are not changing. Look at it. The same face. The same face. Why is Yuri not looking like a Korean lady? Okay, she's a Korean lady. But if you see now this, I will see tell it to change. Okay, yeah, she look like a Korean lady, so I can see try it and change. So, but this is it, guys. So I've come to the end of this class. I will just Just go through it, try it, and see how it will work. Thank you.